Ever noticed how some controversies blow up overnight and others just disappear? It's called the art of distraction. Welcome to a crash course on it. See, think about it. A well-timed scandal grabs attention while bigger issues quietly slip under the radar. Like, for instance, earlier celebrities were the easy targets. Now influencers are holding that power and brands know it. For instance, let's take Mona Lisa for an example, but she was not that powerful enough to grab attention for a longer period of time. However, the present case which is going on of Ranveer, it's a huge case, huge media buzz. Very soon, this noise will fade away as well. The PR will get into work. They will work their magic and people will move on. And that's the truth, people, okay? But why? Why is Ranveer catering so much of attention? Why are people talking so much about him? Because of his brand image, okay? He has built himself on spirituality and education and, people have followed him and they are attracted to his content. Now, in today's age, this is exactly how personal branding works and matters. Your image isn't just what you do, it's what people are told to believe you do. So it really, you can work on it, you can seriously work on it. And if you want to go deeper, you want to understand more, just drop a heart in the comments below and I'll tell you more. So why Ranveer Allahabadia? I mean, think about it. What did he say? Yeah, he said some things which were not okay. He shouldn't have said it and not at all acceptable. But why are people so angry about it? Because of the image he has built up over years. And because his image is so strong, he's not able to walk out of it. I mean, see, the same thing had Samay Raina said, you would have been able to forget. But the same thing with Ranveer Allahabadia and the brand he has built, you're not able to look out. So yes, the PR team is going to take some work. They're going to do lots of work till, this entire matter settles down. It will take some time. But my question is, what are the other bigger issues which should have been called out, which have silently moved on now? Think about it.